Hello everybody, Julian here from JulianTechTM, and today we're gonna do a room tour. But before that, I want to thank all of you. We have grown to 2,000 subscribers as of today. I never expected for us to grow this big, so I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So we're gonna do the room tour, and we do this last part, okay? This is the PC part. Usually the PC part is the most, but we go here first. I go.
Can you do that again?
Fuck off. Don't need to do it again. I know this is not tech, but I want to show this off, okay? This is my Man United jersey signed by Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. So if you didn't know, right, last year's kit had the Champions League goals 10 years ago when we won the Champions League, and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer timing was 9 minutes plus 3. So I signed, you know, he got the winning goal, so I had to sign there, and then it was posted on Man United Instagram page. Woo! This area is my equipment area, quite messy, yes, I know. The reason why I'm not packing it up because don't really have space lah. But there's my guitar, somewhat tech related lah, electric guitar. It's the MTM2 Ibanez signature guitar for the Slipknot guitarist. So you can see the Slipknot signature is here. We got 7 here, pretty cool. About $800 for this. Very bad condition, but I don't want to sell it because of sentimental value. It's one of my favorite electric guitars. I have a lot of headsets here. I have one of these headsets was sponsored, and then I took part in a competition, Overcooked 2, and then I won another one. And then I got, this was one of my first headset by Armageddon. Just a FYI, there's gonna be a lot of headsets. Then I got my red beret here. Got random heatsink, just storage lah. For some reason I have expensive olive oil here. This part is more interesting. There's a lot of box. You can see there's more headset. There's the Skull Candy, sponsored also. This one also sponsored. Also sponsored. So thank you Razer and Skull Candy. Also sponsored. So I had plans for these headsets, right, to be sold if this channel didn't work out and I needed the money. But if this channel really works out and I can like earn a living, then we can do a giveaway. Idea. This is where my cameras are. I have the EOS 700D, a very cheap, now it's like $400 you can buy already. Crop sensor Canon camera. This was one of my first cameras. So this is the Canon 6D, one of the cheaper full frames. 7 years ago, I bought it for 1.3K. Now I think you can buy it for $800, $900. L lens, 24-70mm. You can buy it for very cheap now lah. Affordable high-end lens. The camera I'm using now is this actually, the Sony A6400. It costs 1.3K. Stormtrooper, Billy. Yeah, Billy. I have a Kylo Ren mask also. Razer laptop blade. Razer blade laptop. It has a 1070 Max-Q, so it's an older version, but can play all games lah. No problem. Oh, another guitar here. It's actually a very cheap guitar, like less than $200. This one I just paste stickers lah. You can pause and see what stickers are there. There's Razer, Grand Theft Auto, Google, G-Shock, One Esports, HyperX, Modern Warfare, Dota, PS4. Oh, good lah. A lot of memories from this guitar. There's a $300 PC here lah. You remember that? But good times lah. First video. Seriously, I never imagined us growing to 2,000 subscribers so fast. We're gonna move to the biggest fan area. I mean the coolest fan. My air conditioning. And then got whiteboard, upgrading this PC, building with girlfriend, room tour, and then next week we have birthday video, which my girlfriend is gonna surprise me with something. Yay! Here we have my old Xbox 360 collection, Halo 3. Original, okay. Look at that. Oh, Bioshock, the original one. Oh no, it's Bioshock 2. Assassin's Creed, when it was good. Now everyone should be playing this a lot. Modern Warfare 2. You see now the plastic also like chapalang already. Look at that, Modern Warfare 2. Oh, this one, Red Dead Redemption 1. Oh, FIFA. Very expensive. Grand Theft Auto 5, 360 version. I'm telling you, Rockstar, if PS5 and Xbox Series X got a version of GTX 5, I'm gonna be damn pissed off. You got 3 generations of consoles with freaking GTA 5. I want GTA 6 right now, okay? Gears of War 3. With the medal. I legit waited freaking 6 hours to get this, okay? 6 hours. Okay, now to the main part. I know a lot of y'all want to know about this, the PC areas. You can see there's 3 monitors, one for the girlfriend.
Hi.
Yes, I just got her the Razer Black Shark V2X because it's really comfortable for her. You saw all the headset. that I have, I like, hey, do you like this one? Don't like, this is me. But this one, wow, not too bad. Yeah, it's very affordable headset. It's like 90 bucks. They sponsored me. Thank you very much, Razer. If you're looking for a headset that's light and no bullshit, try this. It's really pretty good. The PC is one I actually built for my ex-girlfriend.
You?
So can I tell the story?
Of course.
Yeah, I can tell the story. When I was with my ex-girlfriend, I used to stay at her place and I wanted to work at her place. So I built a PC. We shared half the money and we built this PC. When we broke up, I just paid her the half and then I took it back. Yeah, her PC now. It's rocking a 1700X AMD Ryzen 7. If I'm not wrong, it's the RTX 2070 Super. Keyboard is the Armageddon MKA7C. The unique thing about this keyboard is you can replace the whole switch, not only the keys. So if anything happens to the switch, like you spill water and you need to replace it, you can just replace it. The monitor is also sponsored, if I'm not wrong, by Shopee. One of my campaigns I did with them on Instagram. The Acer 1080p 144Hz monitor. Correct or not? 144Hz, right? Yeah. It's a curved monitor. It's pretty affordable, IPS if I'm not wrong. Display. Not too bad. We will put the description, the supers to let you know what exactly it is. Yeah. This one I bought. The Acer 30-inch ultra wide screen. It is 1080p, very good for movies because movies you watch on the cinema is very widescreen, right? And then when you use a normal 1080 monitor or even a 4K, you will have black bars on the top and bottom. Don't have. Really good for movies, for the Netflix and chill. But the thing is, the colors are not that good. The contrast is not that good. It is pretty affordable for ultra wide 30-inch monitor. It was like $600, but very happy with the results. It's just good for watching movies. We have the Razer Siren for my girlfriend who do the streaming. Google Nest. Okay Google, how are you doing?
I'm happy you're here. How can I help today?
If your Google reply, like this video, comment, "Walao, why you must say that?" Okay, this will be the end area, okay, my PC. So this PC, right, is like Frankenstein. So I built it like 5 years ago and then I'm slowly replacing the parts here and there. Originally, it had the Intel 4790K. Now it has a Ryzen 7 2700X. It's a 2nd gen AMD. Planning to upgrade it, either Intel 10900K because I was very impressed with what I upgraded for D, or maybe wait for the 4th gen AMD to upgrade it. And running a 2080 Super, Zotac 2080 Super, and that's about it. Like there's NVMe SSD, very good for editing. I have the Razer Siren X, convenient. The Siren, the big Siren is better quality, but this one is just convenient for my streaming. The headset I'm using here is the JBL Quantum 1. It's one of the cream of the crop headset I have ever used. Sponsored by them, so I have to give them a shout out. Very good headset. Noise cancellation, everything you need in a gaming headset is in here. Stream Deck, kecil. Stream Deck, very useful. Hello. My PC suddenly wake up. I got the Razer. Oh no, I don't know what version is this because I tear out the thing. It's a Razer keyboard that doesn't have the number pad because I want more mouse area, CS:GO player. I have the Zowie ZA13. It's a no bullshit mouse, really no bullshit. So I have a compact camera here, a Sony compact camera that's linked up to a cam link, an Elgato cam link, so I can actually use compact camera as a webcam. So if I want to do a zoom, I can use this camera. If I want to stream, I can use this camera. Very nice. I like the setup. It's just bringing the stream quality one step up. The speakers I'm using, I just requested from Razer. So shout out to Razer again, thank you so much. It's the Razer Chroma. Basically Chroma means RGB . The reason why I requested these speakers is because it doesn't have a subwoofer, yet the bass is pretty good. My area don't have space for a subwoofer, but I still want the bass. There's a lot of cool settings you can do, like the lights below. It can react to the music, so when the bass go boom boom boom, then the light will go boom 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 too. Very cool one very cool. Last but not least is my other equipment My cables here, very nicely organized. I got the Logitech G29, the Skull Candy. The box was there, but the headset is here Very stylo. It's like slick. Like all the gaming headset, right? You wouldn't want to bring out because you'll be like, people say you siao But this one, people are like, wow, you look cool. The noise cancellation is so good that it feels weird Too quiet. Not say too quiet Maybe too quiet And then we have like my PC toolkit that missing some tools. There's a lot of other stuff like there's a mouse pad here. My savings of $5. Haha. There's more stuff I can talk about, but not that interesting
Where's it up here?
Oh, up here? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. My lightsaber. Wow. It's a lightsaber with sound. I wish I could turn off the sound because you can just add sound in post. And when you hit something. Yeah, other than that, cable management below, not that fantastic lah. Really not that fantastic. And the reason is because we're gonna move soon, so I didn't manage to do it. And also the problem is I keep changing my things. I keep changing monitors, I keep changing speakers, I keep changing the mics. Always evolving. This room has evolved from one shitty computer to now 2 computers with 1 ultra-wide monitor. What I want to upgrade next is my desk to like the Omni desk, the one can move up, move down. So I have a lot of ideas for the next place, or even if we don't get the next place, I got ideas to upgrade this room. Hopefully, maybe in 6 months time, I can do another room tour and it'll be a lot neater, more storage space, more things to show off. I think that's it for the room tour. I would really like to thank you guys for subscribing and watching the video. The response for last week's video, mad! And if this channel really makes it, you know, I'll do more giveaways. All the headset that I show you, I don't have to sell to like get food to survive. I can give you all. I can't thank you guys enough. It's very heartwarming. I want to thank my girlfriend also. She's behind the camera helping me up, supporting me throughout this whole journey. Go follow her. More people to follow you. She don't like people to follow her. She's quite a private person, so make her uncomfortable. I think other than that, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment if you like it, comment if you don't like it. Let me know. I'm always here to improve. I guess we're done. We're done. Okay, Google, sing me a song.
I love singing. I love singing, I really do. Here I am singing a little song for you. As you can tell,
I'm not too shy, although perhaps now to say goodbye. Goodbye.